Imagine a world where robots do all the work for us. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the truth. Humanoid robots aren't ready to take your job. At least, not yet. Even with incredible AI, they still can't handle the simplest tasks because of one major limitation: their hands. Before we go further, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let's talk about why these robots are all hype and still struggling with the basics. Humanoid robots can run, do flips, and even learn from humans. But when it comes to real-world tasks, like picking up an egg, tying your shoes, or lifting a bag, they fail. Why? Human hands are insanely complex. They have thousands of sensors and perfectly tuned muscles. Elon Musk calls designing a robotic hand an incredibly difficult engineering challenge. Right now, robots have the motor skills of a toddler stacking blocks. They lack the tiny motors and actuators in every joint needed to match human dexterity. Even if AI can think like us, the mechanical limitations hold them back. The hype is real. Nvidia predicts humanoids could become a trillion-dollar industry, and Tesla claims Optimus might be the biggest product of all time. Wall Street even projects $510 trillion in revenue by 2050. But the reality? High costs, often over $50,000, plus legal, regulatory, and safety hurdles mean humanoids won't replace most jobs anytime soon. So for now, humanoid robots are great at repetitive, simple tasks. But don't worry, they won't be stealing your job just yet. If you want to see what the future of robots really looks like, check out the related video in the corner. And remember, stay curious and stay ahead of the tech curve.